Now it's new day. Let's take look on the market. What's going on? And this is good. We have our next level. This is the good level for down, and the next is almost there around this. What we do this condition? We analyze the market only for a small time frame. Okay. Now let's check the big time frame. This is good. Market is saying down. You show that the market is sideways in this all level. Then break the market and come to the gap. We already know market is minimum down here. Then goes up. It's already possible. Let's take momentum there. Look this point. Okay. You please next time you mark down this level to that's help you better. Okay. Now we have a point to share. You already know we are just place the order and wait for the good trade. Just a second. Okay. Let's check at this point. I think around this point is coming. It's to Wednesday. Yeah. Okay. We take there 8818 1830. 88 1818. What is the stop loss? 18 around 30. Our target is stop loss 120. They automatically create the lots. Our target is not more 720. Now, see. Oh, sorry. Sell. Now save and just look. Okay, what the fuck? Sorry. It's too high. Too high. Too high. We almost need only 60. Okay. Done. I think this is a B level trade. Sorry, I don't know how to write this. You have any idea how to write this? No, wait a second. There is pen. Where is pen? Oro dot eraser. No. Market going as well. Text. The levels. Why? Because that looks strong in perfect. I know there is no excuse on market, but we have opportunity. Somebody tell us why you not buying this. This is the good. Why there? You have the opportunity around there. To ratio one, trail the stop loss. 4:2. Okay. We just wait and watch. We take the trade that there is no problem. But this time we did not ask anything. We just wait and watch. Mm, it's around 1:30. The London session, London New York session is on. Mhm. You see that there is any level. Oh, sorry. I did not understand why market is very slow. No. Yes or no? Both. Both is possible. We just wait and watch. We have only one life. Hmm. 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 When market goes this type, is it very high chances they take my stop loss? Okay, wait and watch. It's around how much time? Wednesday, 7. New session is logged on. Almost 1:1 is completed, but market is still some facing issues. Oh, this time I am analyze well market, then take small trade. In previous days, I take some wrong trades. Oh, I don't know why, but I feel mm, there is good trade, but market is not coming level. It is this. Is it very high chance the market falls is very good or bad? But still, we are waiting. Just hope because your analytics is your perspective, but somebody perspective is change. Now is already one issue one. Should we do just wait and watch on morning? I take this trade in night, right? It's again fall up, fall down. No, stop loss is gone. As I'm using that, now what should we do? What is our next chance? Can I sell there? This called double bottom. Look, your double bottom is not working proper way. Okay, we are ready to sell. What is your stop loss? Okay, 1 8 4 8 5 8. Again. 1 8 4 8. This is 1 8 5 8. Profit is simple and that 1820. Place the order because we have a level. Levels is very important for us. You know, I don't know. What is this? No. Shit. Shit. What should we do? Shit. Next target is gone. Market is ready to full potential is gone. This is our mistake. When your market did not understand you, just forget the market. Don't chase. This is the rise core market. Your analyst is saying it's down, but market goes up. There is no issue. Just wait. Just wait and chill. Create the market level. Remove it. Your analytics only for the days. Okay. Now look, this is working well. So what should we do? Can I switch the 15 minutes? Take a look on market and check. Can I sell the market? Simple question. But it's already Tuesday, so sell the market. Okay, I'm ready to sell. Take a stop loss 1905. Sell market level 1975. 1917 कर दूं. This is very long. This is my last trade for today. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, let's go. All takes is go this time. You follow every time your thoughts and frame. Okay, I'm ready. I close this video there because this time, when you are wrong multiple times, you take a break. This is good. Wait a second. There is any trade is running. Why is my PNL showing the loss? Hmm? Where? Hey, there is any glitch. Please. This is 1 hour time frame. What is this? I don't know. I don't know. There is some problem. Okay, guys, bye.